No speaking partner? No problem. Use this three-step solo rule. Step 1. Say your daily actions out loud. Look around and name things. Step 3.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. A lot of beginners ask me, how do I start speaking English when I don't have a partner to talk to? Here is the truth. You do not need a partner to start speaking English. The biggest mistake learners make is waiting for the perfect conversation. Today, I am going to teach you a simple, sticky method that you can practice completely alone for just 5 minutes every day. We call this the self-talk formula. You do not need tough grammar rules. You only need 3 things: your eyes, your actions, and your voice. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1 is what I call the action mirror. Whenever you are doing something at home, speak that action out loud using the pattern I am plus action. Listen to how simple this is. Instead of thinking in Hindi, say, I am drinking water. When you open the door, say, I am opening the door. When you sit down, say, I am sitting on the chair. When you make tea, say, I am making tea right now. Do not worry about whether the sentence is too short. Your tongue and your mind need to connect action with English words. Repeat each sentence twice, out loud, every single time you move. Step number 2 is the object plus feeling rule. Look around your room, pick any object you see, name it, and add just one simple describing word. Let's practice together. Look at your phone. This is my phone. It is very useful. Look at the weather outside. The weather is cloudy today. Look at your book. This book is interesting. Look at your room. My room is clean and quiet. Notice that we are not making long, complicated sentences. We are simply training our brain to think thing plus how it is. Step number 3 is answering one question to yourself in front of a mirror every evening. Ask yourself, what did I do today? Then answer with 3 simple past tense lines. Line 1, I woke up early today. Line 2, I worked for a few hours. Line 3, I learned new English words. That is all. Just 3 lines before you go to sleep. Practice this self-talk routine starting today. Speak loudly, don't worry about making small mistakes, and be consistent. Which of these 3 steps will you try first today? Write it down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily practice lessons. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.